Hi, thanks for joining us. This is Mike Jacobsen with Emerson Swan. I'm part of the Applied Products Division. I'm here today to talk to you about a company called American Gas and Safety, or as we call it for short, AGS. AGS offers a wide variety of utility controllers and detection systems. Today I'm going to talk to you about gas applications, and what I have here is our fuel gas solenoid valve. That's good for natural gas or propane. The construction here, you have a heavy-duty coil and a cast aluminum body. I've done dozens of startups in the field. When you first turn on a solenoid valve, you'll typically hear a pop that it's either opening or closing. On many products in the market, you may hear a humming or something, and you can tell that it's on. These valves run whisper quiet. You can't even tell that it's opened or energized. So to be able to tell that it's on, there's a blue indicator light that you can see through this. So if it's located in the ceiling or in a place that's hard to get, you can see that blue indicator light and know that it's energized. Inside this coil here, there is a bunch of wires that when it's energized, it creates a magnetic field. So when that magnetic field is created, you've got the armature under the coil, and then you've got this piston underneath. So when it's energized, this piston is attracted to the magnetic field and raising the diaphragm off of the seat and allowing gas to flow. This is a normally closed fuel gas solenoid valve, so you'll notice this spring here. So when this is de-energized, this spring is always acting against it, so when that magnetic field disappears, this spring is going to force the diaphragm closed onto the seat, stopping the flow of gas. You'll also notice this mesh strainer here, which can prevent debris from entering the chamber here and disrupting the seal on it, and can eliminate the need for an additional Y strainer. The rubber diaphragm here is a thick rubber compared to others in the market that use a thin style rubber. This is a long-lasting diaphragm. We do recommend annual inspection just to make sure that the valve is opening and closing as intended, but this rubber diaphragm is going to last for a very long time. So if you're working with gas on your next project, make sure you're taking the proper safety precautions and consider reaching out to your local Emerson Swan representative to get a product recommendation. Thank you.